Hi Professor, this is Vishal Chawda and here I am presenting my assignment 3 which is a UI of the To-Do app. So as first I will start with my code. So you can see my emulator is working with it nicely and here's my activity main page as a layout if you want to see, and it's run like this in my emulator. So right now I'm closing down. As you see, it has a floating button so I can add the task on that as well. So for with here, I can easily and quickly add my task. For that, I add a search button and the three button which I want to see how additional feature I want to see over there, and here just a list of it. So as per my first one, as you will see over here, my layout like look like that, and I'm just closing down my layout. Here is my add task button. So here is my second display. Whenever I click the float button, it goes to over this page, and for this I can add the title of it, the task which is in description, due date. I put over here the icon, calendar icon. So whenever I press it, I want to see, I will show you over here. Control find. So see. Mm, just give me one sec. Here is my calendar view over here. So as you will see, my calendar is over there, and I'm just turning back to my layout. So whenever I press it, it just shows me a calendar, and then I select it, and then that's it. If I want this one as a set due date as well, I can set it. If I make it as a important, like it's complete, like sorry, it's completed, so I can complete it. I can update this task as well. Whenever I on a back page, I can delete this as well and cancel for the no change. So as per I want to show these ones, so here I can make it. If it's completed, then I make it bounded over here. My task name, like title, date and time, and the task type. So if I want to add something like it's a personal task or something like that, I can add it over here. With this the button, I can move to the edit page as well, as I showed earlier. So now I'm coming back to my PPT as well. So my name is Vishal Chawda, and here are the my photo and all the due dates, my student ID, my name. Here is the small description for my app. And if I go to design one, so this is the one design which I selected, and it's easily win just because it has a multiple task and it looks like nice as well. And for this is the design 2, which you will see it has a small calendar description as it complete all the requirement, but its look doesn't, for me it doesn't look like that much more friendly, like user friendly as well. So I just decided to go with the design 2. So I choose this design as, this is the image, the mark icon as well. So this is the toggle buttons which I can say that it's completed or not, and this is the detailed view of my page as you see. And my edit task, simply add task button directly. If I want to directly add, is my header for the next page, task title, detailed notes of that, the calendar view as well, the buttons which I want to edit or something like that as well. So for the color panel, here's the background color of my all the entire app, and this is the background color for these ones. So this is for the first layout, and this one is for the second layout. I all the like all the text color are whites, and this is the car like background for these ones. Like anything which is shows over here, it turns like this. And the item background, like, so sometimes I make a color for this one as well. So this is the item background color as well. And if I go And here are my two layouts as I screenshot from my app. So for my two layouts, there is a back button which has the margin like this and padding like this, same with the calendar icon as well, and my cancel button, my padding and all. So for the general margin, I will take it as a header, due date and all 16 GB and the 8 GB. So here I am presenting my all the things for my UI, and thank you so much sir at the end of it. So here I'm completed my assignment 3 video presentation. Thank you so much.